Hi friends, welcome to another Tasty Tuesday video. In this Tasty Tuesday video, my friend and I, Rachel from Live Laugh Love Mommy, we are going to be collaborating on doing a fun side dish or a treat to take to Thanksgiving. Mine is going to be a treat, and I think it's going to be so easy, very affordable, and perfect for like last minute ideas. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and let me know in the description box, or not the description box, in the comment section below if you guys tried it and if you enjoyed it. Alright guys, let's get to cooking. Alright, so these are the only three things I'm going to use besides one egg. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Pillsbury pie crust, both of the pie crusts that come in there, there's two. And I'll be using this apple pie filling, and I like to get the one that says more fruit on it just because I like to have more fruit. And I'll also be using this decorative sugar. Alright, first things first, let's open this can of apple pie filling, and I'm going to be doing a completely pointless task right now by putting it in this bowl, but you'll see what I do next. I should have just kept it in the other bowl that this stuff will be going into. And here is the other bowl I was telling you about. This is actually a really cool thing that I got from working at Tupperware. It is a food cutter-upper, dicer, or what you will. But all you do is you put it in there, and then you just spin this, and it cuts up the fruit or vegetables or whatever you want to chop up in there, even meat. And I am just getting all of the bigger pieces off the sides and bringing it back in where the blades are, just so I can chop it up a little bit more. Alright, now it is absolutely perfect for what I'm going to be doing with it. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to open up this roll of the Pillsbury pie crust, just one at a time, and I'm going to lay it down flat, and then I am going to take a mason jar lid, and I think that's like the perfect size circle for these, and I'm just going to use them to cut circles out of the pie crust. Now, I don't like to be wasteful, so I'm just going to reuse the pieces that were not used from the pie crust, and I'm going to turn it into more of the circles that I need. Now to make the little miniature pies. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to lay down one of the pie crust circles that I cut out flat, and then I'm going to spoon some of the chopped up apple pie filling into the middle of it. And then I'm going to layer it with another one of the pie crust circles, and I'm going to press down all around it just so it's on there pretty good. Alright, so now I'm just going to use a fork just to kind of pinch the pie crust together just to make it more secure. I'm going to have it go all the way around. I think it really does help keep everything secure. And then when I am done going all the way around it, I'm just going to poke the top of the pie crust with the fork 2 times just so it is evenly cooked on the inside as well. And as you can see here, I have one additional one, but don't worry, I'm going to do the same thing like I did earlier, and it will have a matching one, so everything will be equal. Alright, now I'm just cracking an egg in this bowl, and I'm going to whisk it and blend it really good, and then I'm going to use it to spread on top of the apple pies. Alright, and now I'm going to take that decorative sugar and I'm going to sprinkle it all over on top of the apple pies. The egg actually keeps it all together, and it also makes everything all nice and crispy, and it just has really nice texture to it. It will look like it's burnt at the end, but it's not burnt. It's just the egg being cooked on top of it to give it a crispy and really cool texture to it. Here they look like, this is what they look like before I cook them, and I'm going to cook them for 20 minutes for 450 degrees in the oven. Here they are before. And here they are after. See, they look like they might be burnt a little bit, but they're not. It is just the crispiness from the egg. And then here is the sugar was baked on top of it too. These turned out so delicious, you guys. They're so yummy. Everyone deserves to have their own individual apple pie. It is so delicious, and it's a fun favorite to make to bring to a Thanksgiving or anything really. It turned out so good. And here it is with me opening it. How easy and yummy this looks. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is like the easiest thing I might have ever made. I hope you guys definitely like this. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give this a try and check out Rachel's channel, Live Laugh Love Mommy, after this. See what she is cooking up. And if you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe to her channel and mine as well. We'd love to have you, and definitely stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys again next time. Bye now!